The pipe cleaner was invented early in the 20th century. A wire core with tufts of yarn, it can be bent and twisted into any tight space, making it useful for cleaning a lot of things besides pipes. Its flexibility also offers a creative opportunity for those with a crafty bent. Today, many pipe cleaners never get dirty. Instead of cleaning pipes, kids bend them and shape them to create crafts. The core component of every pipe cleaner is, of course, the wire, made of malleable steel. There are 2 wires in every pipe cleaner. The wires will become intertwined with tufts of yarn, and it will all happen on a machine like this. But first, here's a look at the 2 wires twisting together without the yarn. This wire core is the heart of the pipe cleaner. Without the tight twist, the yarn would just slide off. The spools of yarn unwind at the same time as the wire and head towards the machine. They'll use cotton yarn for pipe cleaners destined for actual pipe cleaning because it's absorbent. For the craft market, polyester fibers are more suitable. The colors are brighter. This orange yarn and the wire travel over tension discs to prevent slackening that would cause messy entanglements, as the pipe cleaner materials all head towards the forming machine. The yarn and the wire are totally in sync as they feed into the machine. The pile of yarn rapidly winds around a metal former to coil it. At this point, the diameter of the pipe cleaner is set by using metal formers of different sizes. A sharp rotating blade cuts the coils to produce a series of short tufts. They stop the process briefly to give us a look inside. At the same time, the wires run in grooves around rotating rollers, and those yarn tufts now become trapped between the 2 wires. Together, the wire and yarn tufts then travel over other rollers into a device called a flyer. The flyer was invented for twisting yarn. Each time the flyer rotates, it inserts 1 turn into the pipe cleaner. Bobbins then wind up the pipe cleaner. It all happens so fast, it's a bit of a blur. At the next station, numerous bobbins of pipe cleaners unwind simultaneously. They travel between a series of rollers. The rollers straighten the pipe cleaners, eliminating the curl created when they were wound onto the bobbins. A clamp then locks the pipe cleaners in position, and a carriage pulls them forward. The carriage moves in measured increments, so a guillotine-style blade can cut the pipe cleaners to a precise length. In this case, it's 15 centimeters, a popular length for the craft market. The machine ejects the completed pipe cleaners, and a worker packs them up for retail. Each bag contains all the colors of the rainbow and then some. For thicker, fluffier pipe cleaners, they use a slightly different machine. Bobbins of polyester yarn rotate in a carousel to wind the yarn around a former and coil them. A sharp rotating blade cuts it into tufts. A carrier wire is used here to keep the pile under tension, after which the 2 core wires trap the tufts just as before. Another clamp twists the core wires and tufts as it pulls them forward. This transforms them into 1 thick and fuzzy pipe cleaner, which is then cut to any length the client orders. Production now focuses on pipe cleaners for medical and engineering cleaning jobs. Heat guns melt the fibers at the ends to seal them, ensuring they won't shed lint or fibers during the cleaning of sensitive equipment. You can see the difference this makes in the pipe cleaner on the right. Pipe cleaners today are no longer just for pipes. They're used to clean all kinds of things, like bicycle gears or any gear at all. They can also be used for paint touch-ups, odd jobs in the garage, cleaning rifle barrels, wrapping electronics cables, and cleaning any long tube. But of course, it's not all work and no play. There's always arts and crafts time. That's when things take a creative twist, and pipe cleaners become anything you want them to.